I have been so down, so heartbroken since the news of Kemi Afolabi's sickness broke out. Kemi is a friend, a very good friend at that. She's a colleague. She's a beautiful soul. She has been going through this for years, for like 2 years now. And every time I get to talk to her, I see the strength in her. I see the way she smiles through it all. And I must say, Kemi, you're amazing. You're strong. And I'm here to tell you that you will beat this by the special grace of God Almighty. You will come out of this strong, like Baralong.
I had to sell the property I was meant to start the business with, even with the capital, everything all gone.
Guys, I am here to also appeal to you guys. Hey, John Tori alone. I have done my part. But it's not enough. We need help. This is a matter of emergency. We need to fly her abroad. We don't even have time. Hey, John, Tori alone. Hey, John. Whatever it is you can do to support and save Kemi, I'm on my knees. Hey, John. Please, your widow's mite, anything you have, just give us. A GoFundMe has been opened for her, and I'll put the link on my bio. I'll also put our account details below this video. Please. Please.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Hello, wonderful people. My name is Shola Kosoko Abino. I am sure you all heard what happened to Kemi Afolabi. I strongly believe that if we rally round Kemi as quickly as possible, she will survive this ailment. Yes. That is why we are appealing to you, our fans, to please join us to rally round a friend, a sister, a colleague, your actor. A journey to your long. Gbogbo wa at one point or the other láti contribute. So please, gbogbo gbalaman sọ wípé without you there is no us. For real, help us, join us to save our colleague. Gbogbo wa lágbára Ọlọ́run ní fi àìsàn lùgbà. Ní fi irú ẹ̀gbà lágbára Ọlọ́run. Sùn ní ṣe yín kò ní ṣọmọ yín kò ní ṣe bí yín. This is serious o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ jẹ́ ká wo ti ọmọ Kẹ́mi. Ká wo ti máa kẹ́ jọ̀ọ́. Ẹ súnmọ́ wa kẹ́ ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Gbogbo ọ̀nà tẹ́ bá lè fi ràn wá lọ́wọ́ financially. Kò sí nǹkan kan tó kéré jù. Kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan kan tó pọ̀ jù. As it is now, it's a matter of urgency. Only like to travel out as fast as possible. Torí as soon as wọ́n bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ treatment yìí, wọ́n ló máa dín agbára ailment yìí kù. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. We trust you anyway. We just want to appeal. Ẹ ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Thank you very much.
I want to appeal to all kind-hearted Nigerians. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́. The case of Kemi Afolabi is a clear case of emergency. Colleagues and her friends have done what they can, but for her to travel as quickly as possible and to get the kind of treatment that can give her some respite, a lot of money is needed. We can't do this alone. Please, whatever you can. And if you can just help as soon as we can. You can please just reach out. John Tori along.
Right.
Like I cried like a baby. Like I'll be crying even though I've been giving the dosage.
Yeah.
I still like it was really really bad. All my joints, my ball joints, everywhere.
She needs to. I don't know what to say again, but please, you can just. No, I'm rooting here, John. So Lord, please help Kemi Afolabi. If you help with God, with your help, she can still live longer. Her daughter is 11-year-old. She needs to get out through school, do graduation, get married. No mother should go through this. Please, Ejo. I can't cry before her, but please. I don't want to believe that year. With your help, with God on her side, she can make it. If you stand up, if you stand up to help, I know you can help. I know. I don't know you, but God knows you. You have the means, please. I can't even look into her daughter's eyes. I can't. Joe, I would have done it, but we can't. We've only done a little. Please. Joe. John, sorry, alone. Please, help Kemi Afolabi. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. My name is Kemi Olaya. My heart is heavy since the news of Kemi Afolabi's sickness. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi. Ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa. Ẹ̀yin tó jẹ́ wípé gbogbo nǹkan tá bá ṣe ìdùnnú yín náà ló máa ń já sí. Kemi Afolabi, she's a very hard-working girl. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ má jẹ́ ká wò níran. Ó fúnra rẹ̀ ti gbìyànjú lóríṣiríṣi. Ó ti ta mọ́tò. Ó ti lọ káàkiri torí pé à ń wá owó láti fi ṣètọ́jú ara ẹni. We need your help. We need your help. Mo fi títóbi Ọlọ́run ọba bẹ̀ yín. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà lókè. Ẹ ṣàánú wa lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Kemi Afolabi.
Èrè lápá kékeré kí ni àgbàlagbà èrè dọ̀bálẹ̀ fẹ́yàn èèyàn ó sùn lápá bí èèyàn bá sùn lápá igi oko ló fi rí wọn wé wá ní ẹwù lábáyé bó ṣe dàgbà tó. Ẹnu iṣẹ́ làwọn ayé tèmi mo ṣáàrí àti láìsí mo ní next.
Lótìtọ́ àti lódodo àìsàn kì í ṣe ọ̀rẹ́ ara. Àwa náà dẹ̀ ti gbìyànjú. Òun fúnra ẹ̀ ti gbìyànjú láìmọye. But nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí ó ti kọjá agbára wa bí ìgbà tí sánmọ̀ bá jìnnà sílẹ̀ ni. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká wò níran. Pàápàá jùlọ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jẹ́ abiyamọ. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ jẹ́ ká dìde sí Kemi Afolabi. Ẹ ro tọmọ ẹ̀, ẹ ro tìyá ẹ̀. Ẹ wo ọmọ kékeré lọ́mọ ẹ̀. Kò sí bó ṣe lè máa wò ìyá ẹ̀ lójoojúmọ́ tínú ẹ̀ máa dùn. Ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa. Kemi ní láti travel. A ní láti gbé Kemi travel fún ìtọ́jú tó péye. Wọ́n fi Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè bẹ̀ yín. Gbogbo gbìyànjú yín lórí wa kò ní já sásán. Ní agbára Ọlọ́run, ẹ ní fàìsàn lògbà. Nǹkan ò ní ṣe yín, kò ní ṣe àwọn ọmọ yín. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, we need your help. I need owó tó tó. I need owó tó tó tówó láti fi gbé Kẹ́mi travel. Gbogbo iná lẹ́dẹ̀ mọ́ wa. Ẹ mọṣẹ́ tá à ń ṣe. Àánú Ọlọ́run, àánú yín náà làwa náà ń jẹ. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn náà làwa náà fi ń lé. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jẹ́ olólùfẹ́ wa náà lè ń ṣàánú wa. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká wo Kẹ́mi Afolabi níran. Please and please. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ bá ṣe fún wa, Ọlọ́run á fi ọ̀pọ̀ rọ́pò fún yín ní agbára Ọlọ́run àti lọ́lá Ànábì Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thank you very much, my people. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. I mean, the love you showed me was so immense that my courage got renewed and my zeal to fight for life became stronger. Thank you guys for reaching out to me, for your care, support, love, prayers, attention. God bless you guys. God bless you. May sickness never be your portion. May God Almighty ease your pains and may you overcome everything that gives you burden. Thank you very much.